Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a ocean themed eyeshadow look because I have a new palette. Okay, and I want to try it out. Y'all, this palette was very affordable. It was like $4.99 at the beauty supply store. And y'all, as you can see by the thumbnail, these colors are very pigmented. So as you can see, I'm just going to start off by basing my eyelid with this concealer. This is a LA Pro concealer and it's in the color Toffee. And I'm just going to apply that to my lid, and then you'll see that I let it dry for a little bit, probably for like 60 seconds, and then I'm going to start to blend it in. And y'all, I wait at least 60 seconds because you don't want to blend your concealer out and it's still really wet. Like you want it to be kind of like damp, like almost dry, but not all the way dry. But now what I'm just doing is blending everything out because, you just want it to be nice and blended. And I'm just going to go ahead and add a little concealer under my eye just for like a corrector, just to give me a little highlight under there. All right, so this is the look that I came up with off camera, and this is the palette that I'm going to be using. It's Ocean Eye by MK. I have a lot of these palettes by MK because they're really affordable, and as you can see, the colors are really nice and pigmented. So what I did was I'm going to go in with the darkest blue in the palette and just go ahead and kind of base that on my eyelid. And I kind of wanted it a little darker. So what you'll do is you just build, the color up. So like if you want it darker, you'll just keep putting the color on and keep, kind of blending it out until you get the color you want. Alright, so now I'm just going to do my cut crease. With my cut crease, I am using a different concealer. This is actually the HD concealer. I don't remember what shade it is, y'all, but it's a very light shade, as you can see. And I use this shade on my lid because I want my colors to be like pigmented, and I want, like, as you can see, the white showed up really good. So I base my eye pretty well. And just like I did before, once I'm done actually applying the concealer to my eyelid as a cut crease, I'm going to fan it and let it dry, let it get tacky before I add on any other shade. All right, y'all. So now I'm just adding a black to the outer corner of my eyelid just to darken that up a little bit, y'all. And I'm sorry, like, if I'm not being as detailed as I should about the colors and stuff that I'm using. But I'm going to explain it the best way that I can, all right? So what I did before this, which I don't know why I didn't record, but I used a lighter blue. Any lighter blue in the palette will work, but I just used a lighter blue and I put it on my outer, how can I say this? I put it like in the middle of my cut crease. And then as you can see toward the inner corner, I did white. So, and the white is in the same palette as well. So, it's really easy to do. But I really just wanted to try out this palette to see what it was about. So now what I'm doing, now that I have basically the look that I'm going for, I'm just going to go in and intensify it by adding more light blue and more white. So now that I'm done, y'all, I'm just going to finish the rest of my face. I did put on my foundation, And I'm going to go in and highlight over my foundation as well. And you will see how I highlight and contour. Alright, y'all, so I am fairly new at contouring, but I just use like a dark concealer. Like, any dark concealer will work. You know, you just want to go 2 shades darker than your foundation shade. So, anyways, I'm just gonna blend it out and everything just like so. Now, I make sure that I blend out the darker contour before I do the light contour. And around my nose area, I only highlight because, like, I don't know, it really wasn't working for me when I was like doing a full contour on my nose. So now I just do like a simple highlight on my nose, and it literally gives me the same look. It's just easier, you know? All right, so now I'm going to go in my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just going to set my contour, and well, just like this, you see what I'm doing. I'm just going to set that a little bit just to, you know, kind of make it neater. To me, it makes it look neater, and it makes it look more matte and more professional. So that's why I put the powder on my cheeks as well. And I am going to go in, put some under my nose and under my eye, and I'm going to let it sit for like 2-3 minutes. So y'all, this is really what's gonna make the eyeshadow pop. What I'm gonna do is do like a under the eye eyeshadow, if that makes sense. But I'm literally gonna use the same colors I used before. I'm gonna use a dark blue, a light blue, and a white. And I'm just going to start at the outer corner with a dark blue, and then in the middle I will put a light blue, and then in my corner I'm gonna go ahead and put the white. Alright, y'all, so for my lashes, I'm gonna do something natural. I'm not gonna use any strip lashes. I'm gonna use these fiber lashes, fiber mascara. And once I apply my fiber mascara, this is a trick that I use. While the mascara is wet, I'm gonna kind of blink on my concealer, and it's gonna lift my lashes so that you can see them more. And as you can see, I'm fanning them so that they can go ahead and dry and stay in place. So this is the final look, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this eyeshadow palette. Y'all, it's $4.99 at the beauty supply store. They have different shades and everything. Like, I love it. It's affordable and it's very pigmented, girl. So I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. I am going to list my Instagram page at the end of this video so you guys can go over there and follow me, because I do many tutorials on Instagram as well, and I will be posting a lot of more pictures and stuff like that on Instagram. So anyways, thank y'all for watching. Bye.